Okay, this is the instructions for checkpoint 1, the introduction to photosynthesis. For this assignment, you're going to answer these questions here. So, for example, what are the 4 macromolecules? That should be reviewed from our last unit on chemistry and biology. You will need to define the following terms, anabolic and catabolic, according to what was the definition provided with you in notes. I want the definition from notes. Don't just go do an internet search and give me any definition. Let's be specific. But for question number 3, this is actually a research question. You need to tell me what NADPH and NADH are. Well, these are these high energy chemical compounds that are found in both photosynthesis and respiration. You need to tell me what they're used for, and I need to have a documented source as to where you're getting this information. So please make sure you do have a website source on this. When of course completed, you'll simply submit the summit feedback for this checkpoint. Thank you.